Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices have enough power and the phone's Bluetooth screen is open. This keeps discovery immediate. Once done, force the headphones into pairing mode, usually holding the power button for 3-5 seconds so they broadcast. You should see a light or hear a tone. That confirms discoverable state. Make sure location permissions aren't blocking detection on some phones, and keep the headset near the phone to avoid interference while the first handshake begins. You now tap the headset name under available devices. Do this promptly so the phone connects before the headset times out. If a PIN prompt appears, enter the common code like 0000 or 1234 or accept the confirmation dialog. This authenticates the link. Once you tap confirm, the phone and headphones exchange profiles, enabling audio and controls. Make sure media volume is up and the phone selects the headset as audio output. If not, switch output in the media player or quick settings. Complete the process by playing audio and making a quick call to verify sound and microphone functions. Adjust volumes and codec settings if available. If pairing fails, reboot both phone and headphones, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and try again. Many transient issues clear this way. As a last resort, reset the headphones to factory pairing state per the manual, then repeat pairing. This removes stale entries and often resolves persistent connection conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.